In this video, you'll learn how to restart or turn off your Google Pixel 9a. Following these steps will help you manage your device effectively and ensure it runs smoothly. Start by holding down the power button located on the right side of your Google Pixel 9a. Continue to hold the button until the power menu appears on the screen. This menu will display options such as restart and power off. It is important to ensure your device is responsive at this stage. If the screen does not react, you may need to perform a forced restart instead. From the power menu that appears, you will see two options, restart and power off. If your intention is to reboot the device, tap on restart. Alternatively, if you wish to turn off the device completely, select power off. In some cases, you may receive a confirmation prompt. If prompted, confirm your selection to proceed. The device will begin the chosen action immediately, so wait patiently while the process completes to ensure proper system handling. If you chose to power off the device, you will need to turn it back on. To do this, press the power button again. You should see the Google logo appear on the screen as the startup process begins. Allow a moment for the phone to fully boot up. Once the device is operational, unlock the screen to resume use. Restarting your Google Pixel 9 can resolve minor software issues and enhance overall performance. After completing the restart or power off process, verify that all functions are working properly. This will ensure that your device is ready for use without any lingering problems. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.